If you want to grow on TikTok without using bots or fake followers, the key is to focus on real strategies that help your content reach more people naturally. I end this video. I'll show you how to get followers on TikTok organically step by step. First, you need to focus on your content quality. TikTok is all about short, engaging videos, so make sure your content catches attention in the first 2 to 3 seconds. If people don't stop to watch, the algorithm won't push your video. Second, be consistent. Try to post at least once a day or a few times per week. Accounts that post regularly are more likely to grow because TikTok keeps showing their content to new audiences. Third, use the right hashtags and trends. Don't just use random hashtags, choose ones that are relevant to your content. You can also use trending sounds and challenges to increase your chances of going viral. Another important tip is to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, like messages, and interact with your followers. This helps build a community and also increases your visibility on the platform. You should also pay attention to your video format. Vertical videos, good lighting, and clear audio make a big difference. Simple improvements in quality can help your videos perform much better. Also, try to create content that people want to watch until the end. Watch time is one of the most important factors on TikTok, so the longer people stay on your video, the more TikTok will recommend it. Finally, be patient. Growing on TikTok organically takes time, but if you stay consistent and keep improving your content, your followers will grow naturally, and that's it. If this video helped you learn how to get followers on TikTok organically, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and strategies.